Are you looking for a project where you can actually launch your own token instead of getting involved in everyone else's? Well, I've got something for you today. Let's get straight in. After this disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor, so let's get going. So is it Waves.exchange? Okay, it is the new WavesDEX.network. Easily buy, trade, invest your crypto with this network, right? Everybody's talking about this because you can trade, you can invest, you can hold, and you can make your own token here. I'm going to show you exactly how to do that with 2 clicks. And with them 2 clicks, you can actually win a share of up to 150,000 WX tokens. Let's get started. Now, guys, other things that you actually have in the ecosystem, right? With the trading, everything that you need, you've got the spot trading. You can buy it with cards, all right, through Bitcoin, Waves, EGG, USDN. You can actually go through the other for the swaps as well. They've got their liquidity pools. All right, let's just take a little look. So all their pools are down here. All you have to do is deposit, set up the pool, and get involved. Again, sign up, deposit, buy with a card, and just choose the liquidity pool you want to do. It's super, super easy. All right, all their investments as well. So you can have your Lambo investments. I really like the way they called that. All right, so with your USDT, you can actually work out how much on your investment, which is the same as what we would say as staking, okay? Invest and win a real Lamborghini. You can choose, and it shows you how much you're gonna make. So this is more than just making your own token, this video. This is more about the ecosystem we have here is insane, okay? So going on to the downloads, you can download from Windows, Mac, Linux, App Store, Google Play, anything you like. If you're a trader, then come and have a look, because even looking at their platform, what does this remind you of? TradingView, right? It is extremely well built. The whole of it is very, very well built. All right, you've got all your different marks on the sides. If you want to draw them up, your fibs, if you want to draw up your lines, if you want to draw up everything else. Okay, I'm not here to teach you how to trade. I'm here to show you the tools that this has. If you know how to trade already, you will agree with me that this is pretty spot on. All right, so they have everything here. I know that I'm concentrating on creating your own token, but look at what we've already got set in stone. This is why it fills me with confidence that this platform is going to be here for a long, long time. Now, guys, when you're actually creating your token, all right, and it'll go into here, you get more chances of winning the money, all right? And how you do that is be very clear on what your token is for. So when you're in the create token bit, be very clear on what your token is providing, all right? Grow community support for your token, things like that, a utility. The community is going to be watching, so they're going to be giving you more on this, all right? Get votes for your token. Get it verified by the WX network community, and create something of value, something people want, all right? And get it in there and actually have people wanting to get involved in your token. Well, guys, I'm super excited. I'm actually going to go and create my token just like I've shown you, but the real one. I just didn't want you to see the sneaky peeks first. All right, you know how to create it now. We know what this project's about. Get in there, try and win some of this money, but more importantly, try and make a token that is going to actually provide value for everyone else. This is our moment. Instead of just getting into projects, we can actually be one of the projects. All right, let's do this, guys. Hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell if you want to be notified, and I will see you next time.